Morning guys, September 26, 2024. Here I got a call for a fireplace not working. It's one of those Sparks fireplaces. It's really long and it's got stone in it. It's pretty nice. It's called a Sparks fireplace. I've worked on it before. A lot of times you can go over there and clean the pilot out and make sure everything's make sure you're getting a good pilot flame, and sometimes that's the issue. The pilot's a little wimpy, or I do have parts for it. I got a box of parts in my garage for that stuff, so I brought the parts with me, and hopefully I can get it working for the guy. I did last year. I got it working last year, so find out. This way, seeing the flipping traffic from hell here. Hopefully I can get it fixed. I don't know, you try to start with the basic simple stuff and see if that works. If that don't work, then you continue until you fix it, right? I mean, it's just how it is with this stuff. Keep it simple, stupid. That's my motto. 173, so it should run, right? Does it come on? There should be a...
You see the spark over there?
Okay, it's a spark over there, yeah.
And then it ignites.
Yeah.
And then nothing happens.
Well, it might be, see how that's kind of wimpy, that flame? It could be that flame's not enough.
Really?
See how it's wimpy?
Yeah.
Let's take it apart and clean it first. Shut it off. We'll take it apart and clean it and we'll try it again. Sometimes what happens is spiders get in there and make like a nest.
Yeah.
Because they like the smell.
Yeah.
And then it don't work. I think that's what I did last time. I cleaned it and it worked fine, right?
Okay. I remember you fixed it.
Did something.
Yeah.
Or something.
No, I gotta take
I did bring parts with me in case I need them, but let's hope not. Let's hope it's nothing major.
You have a socket set with you?
Yeah, I do. That's what I had to do last time, socket. Dog seems friendly.
Oh yeah, she's very friendly. She brought her toy to play with you, see?
He's what, too friendly?
No, she brought her toy to play with you.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. See, he's the friend, yeah. He's a good guy. He's got the same name as me. Yeah.
That's 3/8. I may have a driver for that.
I have him if you need it.
3/8 driver.
Good.
He's a liquor.
I'm just gonna grab some breakfast for you.
Yeah, go ahead. You still doing the CPAP machine?
Yeah. Yeah, we talked about that.
Yeah,
Just know what
7/16.
happened?
Huh?
Unknown caller.
7/16. Yeah, I gotta use it too.
Do you use it?
Yeah.
You use the nasal one that just put pillows
No,
in?
what happens is I open my mouth and I lose the charge.
Yeah.
So what I ended up doing was I went with that
Full face? There's one.
yeah, they got a new one now that
just like this, right?
no, the one that goes under the nose, it's a
Pillows.
F40, not a pillow, but it goes under the nose and it goes around the mouth. So if I open my mouth at night, I don't lose the charge.
That's my problem. Is I end up.
Yeah, you gotta.
My nose gets blocked.
Yeah.
I end up opening my mouth and it's.
Yeah, they got a new one out now, ResMed. It's called F40.
F40. Okay.
Yeah, and
Let me write that
it goes under your nose,
Yeah.
but then it goes around your mouth.
Yeah. Okay.
And you got to put it for a nasal setting, not a full face mask, because it's a small mask.
Yeah.
And it unplugs right out of the front like this.
Okay.
It's really nice. I like it. It's
F40.
F40. That's the new one they just come out with. I found that was the best. Yeah, because if you open your mouth, then you lose the charge, and then it's kind of a.
Yeah.
It sucks. Yeah.
You open your mouth and all the air goes out your mouth.
Yeah, that's what was happening. I tried them all. I got all the different ones. And
Where did you go to get fitted?
I bought it myself.
You just tried it yourself?
I got everything myself. I bought myself a machines.
Okay.
And the mask. I got all the different kinds. You go through the insurance company, it's such a pain in the ass. You know?
How did you know how to set your pressure?
I
Read about it?
I went for the sleep study.
Okay.
They said I needed 6 for the pressure, which was really low.
Yeah.
So then when I went home, I did it on 6, and I was getting like 15 hits an hour. I mean, it's like, so I said, I gotta put more pressure. So I adjusted the machine up, and I'm at like 15 and a half.
That's what I'm at.
15 and a half, and then I get less than 1 hit an hour.
Yeah, I'm at 15.
So I like the steady pressure. I don't like the alternate thing. I like it just straight.
Right.
And then I got an automatic machine, so if I do have an episode, it ramps up.
Okay, right.
It's automatic. Yeah. But,
Makes a difference though.
yeah, so then the doctor's telling me, you know, he wants his girls to set the pressure. I said, no, I'm going to do it myself. I mean, it ain't rocket science.
Yeah.
If you're getting too many hits an hour, you need more pressure. Yeah. He wants to run the flipping show, you know, the doctor. Yeah. You don't know me so well. Yeah, without it, I snore like a beached whale. Yeah. And I got this Apple Watch.
Yeah.
And I can track my oxygen, see what my oxygen is at night.
Yeah.
And
That's good.
yeah, before it was like dropping down to the low 80s. That's pretty bad.
Did you get a slow clean machine?
Huh?
Did you get a machine a slow clean machine?
No, what I do when on the clean, I do have one of those, but how I do is I use wipes, the mask wipes.
Yeah.
Then I got that spray stuff.
Okay.
I wipe them out every night when I wake up, the spit and stuff in there, and then I spray it with that spray stuff and I let it dry. By the time I go at night, and it's all clean. And then once a week I'll wash it in soapy water.
I have a slow clean machine just with a thing in it.
They don't recommend that.
Use ozone.
I guess it's fine. The so clean, is that what it is? You like that?
I'll show you later.
Yeah, I got one. I got the different kind. There's this kind that ultraviolet and all that shit. I got all kinds of stuff. I'm a little whacked.
So at least you figured it out. That's good.
Yeah, it's probably just a little dirty. Let me try it again, see what happens now. Turn it on, let's see if it... Yeah, she seems a little wimpy. That flame doesn't seem like it's enough. See it? It's not hitting the sensor. See the flame?
Yeah, I see it.
It's not enough. Let me get my I'm gonna shut it off and get my compressor. Maybe I could do it with the compressor. That's what I did last time, I think, the compressor, right? Dog's okay, he's not gonna bite me? No. Bird that hangs out in the walkway there, remember that bird?
No, not anymore.
No more?
You got a pretty good memory there.
I got a good memory, but it's short. Oh, she's still kind of wimpy. It's almost like it's leaking on the bottom there somehow. Maybe it's the bottom that needs to be cleaned. You can almost see like the flame on the bottom. Yeah, it's like leaking out the fucking bottom there. It's weird. Yeah, there's like a port on the bottom there. It might have some dirt in it. There we go. That's better now, guy. There it goes. That's what it was. It was like a port on the bottom there that gets dirt. It fired up. Look at that shit. I'm shining like a morning star. Let's get the glass back in it. Just needed a good little douche. She's getting a little rusty, huh? A little bit, but.
I know. Is there a way to?
Well, it's just because you're getting the dampness coming in from outside when it's raining now. It pulls in makeup air from outside, right?
Yeah.
There's not much you can do about that. You're down here next to the salt
Well,
water
I
too,
want
right?
a can of black, Fireplace paint,
I don't know if I would do that.
but I don't think I want to do it.
We can't just leave it alone. It's not crazy bad.
Do you mind if I wipe down the inside of that glass?
No, you want to clean it now?
Yeah.
Now's the time.
What is it? It's weird. I see all the streaks.
A labradoodle.
Hey,
Miss Molly.
is Mal?
God, is she cute?
She's only 5 pounds. She's tiny.
Yeah?
She's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Oh God, she's adorable. What'd you name her?
I named her Miss Molly.
Miss Molly?
Yeah.
Perfect. Miss
Yeah, I
Molly?
wanted to name her Molly because my niece had a dog named Molly. I liked the name.
Yeah?
And she had these rescue dogs, you know.
Yeah?
So she had like 4 or 5 of them, and she got all mad at me because I stole her dog's name, Molly. So I said I'm gonna call her Miss Molly then.
And you know what this one's
She,
called?
she was bipolar, so she's a little tough, you know.
So
know what I mean?
Our dog's name is Georgie Girl. So Georgie Girl and Miss Molly. Sounds like they could go out for tea.
Yeah, no. So she's that's my little buddy.
She's adorable.
Yeah, she is cute. No doubt about that.
Really.
You.
She is, I just went out to see her. You got in, yeah, when you were 18?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have low bills and nobody wants a bunch of bills, right?
You got it.
I mean, you can't get away from it. Flipping health insurance is the worst thing for me. They don't even pay for half the shit.
Well, I'm on Medicare now, so
Yeah.
it's working out okay. But I used to have my own business. I had employees, and I used to have to pay all the health insurance and all that.
Yeah, I'm paying like, what, $1,500 a month for the flipping shit. Doctor wants tests, they don't even pay for the shit. You gotta go pay for it yourself. And then, these side pieces go.
Unknown caller.
Potential scam.
How many of those do you get a day? I get like 5
I
of
get,
those a day.
it's yeah, continuous.
Yeah.
All right, let me see that piece. Continuous.
Yep. Drives me nuts. Plus, I don't pick up calls if I don't recognize.
There it goes. The pilot's definitely better. There you go.
You got it.
Awesome bitch, huh? That's,
You're a magician. Thank you.
yeah, I just needed. That's what I did last time too. I didn't get the cleaning.
So I should put you on a schedule every few years.
Seems like every couple of years, huh? I just had to do one the same thing with another guy. Different type of fireplace, but similar.
Yeah.
Same thing. Yep. So, I think it's got something to do with the spiders and they're in there, you know, making their cobwebs in the summer, and I think they like the smell of the gas. That's what I think. I like the smell of the gas, so they go in there and do some, you know, make some cobwebs in there, and then
Yeah.
next thing you know, you got issues.
Block, right?
Crazy.
Yes, I bought this
As
can.
long as we can fix it, that's what matters, right?
I bought this can of, you know, this fireplace, black fireplace paint.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
But I decided,
Don't do it.
yeah,
You're gonna make a mess out of it.
yeah,
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
It's got a little rustic look. Who cares? Right?
yeah. That's what I figured.
We're all getting a little rusty. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting a little gray and let it go, right? Shit.
Is that flame good now, or should I make it bigger? Or?
That looks good to me.
Okay.
Don't look for problems.
That's what I figured.
That's another one of my sayings. Yeah. Look for problems, you're gonna find them. It's definitely a nice setup.